Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce to Mailchimp for automated email campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Salesforce to Mailchimp for automated email campaigns, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Lightning Experience or Salesforce Classic, depending on your preference. In Salesforce, go to the app launcher and search for Mailchimp. Find and select the Mailchimp app from the list. If you haven't already, click on Get It Now to install the Mailchimp integration. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the Mailchimp app within Salesforce. You will need to connect your Mailchimp account, so click on the Connect Mailchimp button. You will be redirected to Mailchimp, where you must log in with your Mailchimp credentials. Grant permission for Salesforce to access your Mailchimp account by clicking Allow. Next, navigate to the Mailchimp Settings tab within the Mailchimp app. Select the lists you want to sync between Salesforce and Mailchimp. Make sure to map the fields between Salesforce and Mailchimp accordingly. Save your settings to enable the synchronization. Now, go to the Campaigns tab in Mailchimp to create your email campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as regular or automated. Design your email using Mailchimp's user-friendly editor. When setting up your campaign, choose the Sync Salesforce contacts as your audience. Configure the automation settings if you're setting up an automated campaign. Once everything is set, test your email to ensure it looks good and functions properly. Finally, launch your campaign to start engaging your audience automatically. That's how to connect Salesforce to Mailchimp for automated email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.